Hi everyone, I'm from the Bincho Grill, and today I will be showing off the 16-inch mini Bincho Grill, one of our best-selling grills, super portable, super durable, and just as powerful as all our other Bincho grills. The 16-inch is actually my personal favorite just because of how easy it is to carry around everywhere, whether it's backyard parties, camping trips, events, and pretty much anywhere. It can even fit in a little carry-on suitcase. So I will be showing that off today, as well as some accessories I brought with me today to show. All these accessories I'm going to be showing can also be used on all our other models, just with some size differences. But yeah, let's get started. Let's open her up. All our grills come in very nice and luxury packaging, and I will be showing you guys every step. So this is what the Bincho grill comes with if you order no accessories with it. Of course, if you have any accessories, it would come in this package. But we have some foam here. Pull that out, and here you see the Bincho grill. It does come with a grate, so you do have something to start to cook on. You can put skewers on it, steaks, however you want to cook on the grate. You'll see that the grate fills up the entire grill, and I'll be showing how you can use other accessories instead and everything that comes with the grill. All right, so let's start getting the grill out of here. You can also see we do package very, very well to protect the grill from anything that might happen to the box on its way to your house. So it stays very safe in here. So here we have the Bincho grill. I'm going to set it aside so we can move the boxes. And here you can see all the extra support the grill has while it's being shipped. Let's get out of the way. And here it goes. There's our Bincho grill. All right, let's get the grill out of its cover. So that's the grate right there. And I'm gonna pull this off. And there you have it, the 16-inch mini Bincho grill. It's going to be 16 inches long, 8 inches wide, and roughly 17.5 pounds. So as you can see, easy to really just carry around with you everywhere you go. All right, so this Bincho grill really consists of three main parts that I'll show you in just a second. To begin with, this is going to be the front of your grill. As you can see right here, you have the airflow vents. This gives you full control of airflow while you're cooking, so you can adjust how much air goes in through the grill from the bottom. So that's that, and then I will show you the three main parts to the grill. So the first one is the grill itself, made from heavy gauge stainless steel with double wall construction. Very, very durable grill. So that's going to be your base. And then in here we have the very thick aluminum insert, as we call it, where it's basically your charcoal box. This is where the charcoal is going to go. So open that up. There are some warnings inside the grill about how to clean it. So please make sure you read through that before you start using the Bincho grill. Here is the insert. Inside the insert, you have some foam. Take out. So the insert is basically protecting anything from happening to your Bincho grill while very, very hot Binchotan charcoal is burning in here. And then inside your insert, you have a stainless steel liner. This also is just an extra protective layer in your grill to make sure everything is super safe, because things get super, super hot once you're using Binchotan, and we want to make sure everything stays in good condition and can last you a lifetime of grilling Yakitori on our Bincho grill. So the insert just goes right in the grill, and the liner stays inside. That really never needs to be touched. One more thing I want to show you guys is this very, very handy ashtray that we have. So the mini grill comes with an ashtray that you can just pull out, dump all your ashes, and put right back in. Because all the charcoal ash is going to go through the insert and right into this charcoal ash collector, and it's going to stay right down here. So realistically, you should never really get ash inside your Bincho grill. All it's going to stay is in the insert. All right. So once you have that, the grill does come with this grate included. And as I told you guys earlier, it covers the entire thing. So you can grill your skewers and whatever you would like on this grate. That's very, very fun to do. But if you do want to get a little more creative and you want to go maybe on the authentic Yakitori route, we do sell bars. All right, we sell these rods that you can put however you would like on the grill, as wide, as narrow, or you can even put more than 2 bars, however you'd like your setup to be, and you can cook on that. Right now, we also sell a keep warm riser kit. As you guys, if you cook yakitori at home, you guys know how hot the food gets, how fast it gets hot, right? And sometimes you just need somewhere to keep your food warm. So we have this riser kit. You put just like that on the back. Oh, let's see that. Okay. Just like that. And on the riser, you can put a smaller grate that comes with this riser kit. Just like that. So you can be grilling yakitori on the bars while you have some food to keep warm on the riser, and you also have the option to use a grate with the riser. So when you order the riser, it does come with its own custom grate with these notches right here. And then you'll be able to, you gotta just move these a little bit. And just like that, you're cooking with a grate and you're keeping food on top with the riser. So it's super customizable. You see, you can personalize it however you want to your way of cooking, right? We also do offer 2 sizes of our own skewers. We have the 7-inch and the 6-inch. So if you like smaller skewers or longer skewers, we do offer that. And when you're all set and done and you want to cover up your grill, we do offer a grill cover, and I will show you how to use that right now. So let's say you're all done, right? You're done grilling. We can put the risers in the grill. You can put your grates. You can put your bar on top. And then we have our cover. The cover is honestly amazing. Keeps it good under all weather conditions. If it's sitting in your backyard, it starts raining, gets windy, keeps it from getting dusty. I really think this cover is a must-have accessory with your Bincho grill. Just like that, very easy. Then you could tighten it on the side. And you can take it with you wherever you'd like. And just like that, that's your 16-inch mini Bincho grill. Again, like I told you, it's my favorite grill. I feel like it's a must-have if you're just a yakitori lover who's always on the go, right? You want a small setup, you don't want something big. But yeah, that's a little unboxing of the 16-inch. I'm looking forward to doing more of these with our other grills and showing off what we offer. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.